How to fix unable to authorize error on TikTok iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix unable to authorize error on your TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So when this error occurs, the first thing that you might want to do is check for your Wi-Fi connection. So you can swipe down from the top right and you should be on your control center. So tap on this Wi-Fi section and then check for your Wi-Fi connection. You can head over to your settings directly from here and then make sure that you're connected to a strong and stable internet connection. After you do that and after you've made sure that your internet is strong, you can then head back. If not, you can simply connect to another strong network and then try to log in again. After you've done that, you can then head over to your settings. On your settings, let's head back here. So this is your setting. Head over to general. After you're on your general, head over to iPhone storage. And on your iPhone storage, scroll down till you find TikTok. Tap on TikTok and tap on offload app. Confirm the offloading of the app, and then after the offload completes, you can then reinstall it right here. So you'll get the reinstall option right here instead of the offload. So reinstall your app, and after you reinstall your app, you can then head back to your settings again. And after you're on your settings, come back to general. And after you're on your general, there you should find background app refresh. It's right here. Tap on background app refresh. And here you'll need to turn background app refresh for your TikTok. So search for your TikTok here. You can simply search for TikTok on the top as well. And after you're here, simply turn it off and then turn it back on. Or if it is turned off, simply turn it on. After you do that, you can then head back. And the last thing that I want you guys to do is head over to your app store and search for TikTok. After you search for TikTok, if you see an update button instead of open button, tap on update and update your TikTok. After doing that, your problem should get fixed, guys. You can head back and try to log in again. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.